Hello Inyo fans, it's your friends Matt and Rob here, and today we are unveiling the Pureline Pure Colors LED replacement bulb. The Pure Colors are a simple, inexpensive, and supremely energy efficient alternative to the old plain white incandescent bulbs in the Pentair Amerlite, Hayward Astrolite, and the Jacuzzi Full Moon.
LED bulbs are the next big thing in pools because they offer vibrant colors while operating at a fraction of the cost of standard bulbs. Pure Color is offered in two intensities, the 18 and 35 watt. The higher the wattage, the brighter the bulb. These bulbs are roughly equivalent to a 200 to 300 watt incandescent bulb.
That's right. The Pure Colors LED is ideal for any pool owner wanting to make their old pool feel new again. Turn your pool into a colored kaleidoscope of wonder by adding a 16 color combination from fixed colors to light shows that trip the night fantastic, like the Riviera, Rainbow, Disco, and the Four Seasons.
Just simply remove your old bulb, thread in the Pure Colors LED along with the new lens gasket, and you're done. It's that easy. All that's left is to flip the switch and let the party begin.
Pure Colors are available in 120 and 12 volts, and for you spa owners out there, we got a Pure Colors option for you as well.
So pool and spa owners, we got you covered.
Well, if you have any questions about the Pureline Pure Colors or any other LED lights, don't hesitate to call us at 877-372-6038 or email us at upload@inyopools.com.